Hello everyone. After integers, let's start chapter number 7, percentage and simple interest. So, the first topic is percent. What is percent? Percent means percent, how much in 100, or by definition we can say that any ratio with a second term of 100 is called a percent. So, any ratio with a second term of 100 or a fractional number with 100 in the denominator, or simply how much in 100 or per 100. Percent means cent means 100, so percent means per 100. So how much in 100? 20 by 100, or in ratio 20 is to 100, or 20%, or in decimal form 0.02. This is percent. Then percentage. A percentage is a product of a percent and a number. Percentage is a product of a percent and a number. That percent is also known as rate. So percent is a rate. Then number is also known as base. So say 20% of 50. 20% of 50 is, so 20 the rate into 50 and percent. So 20 by 100 of 50 is 10. So 20% of 50 is 10. It means 10 is the percentage where 20% is the rate and 50 the number is the base. Now, in this exercise, in first exercise under these two topics, we are required to change forms of fraction or ratio to percent, or percent to fraction, or percent to decimal. So, for these things, steps are: first is to convert a ratio, or fraction into a percent. So, to convert a ratio like 20 is to 100 or fraction 20 by 100, we first multiply by 100 and 100. So 100 and 100, numerator and denominator both 100, and then we separate 1 by 100 and then replace 1 by 100 by percent sign with reduced form. So for check, say for example, we have 20 by 100, right? Now we have to write 20 by 100 in percent form. So to convert a ratio into a percent, we first multiply by 100 and 100. So multiply this fraction by 100 and 100 in the first step, and then separate 1 by 100. So in the next step, 20 by 100 into 100 into 1 by 100, right? And then replace 1 by 100 by percent sign. So this 1 by 100 is now percent with reduced form. So reduced form means 100 and 100, and after reducing 20%. So 20% is the final answer, or conversion of this fraction in percent. Next, to convert a decimal into a percent, we shift the decimal point by 2 places to the right. So 0.2 becomes, we have to convert a decimal into a percent, so we'll shift the decimal point by 2 places to the right. So from this place to 2, 1 and 2, so 20 or 20%. Then third step, to convert a percent into a fraction, we remove the percent sign and then divide the number by 100 and then reduce it to the lowest term. So to convert a percent into a fraction, So again, for example, 20%, 20%, we remove the percent sign and divide the number by 100. So, okay, again, let's try to solve 20%. So in the first step, we remove the percent sign and divide the number or fraction by 100 and then reduce it to the lowest form. So 0 and 0, 2 by 10 or 1 by 5. So 20% means 1 by 5. Fourth step, to convert a percent into a ratio. Convert a percent into a ratio. First we will remove the percent sign. So we have to remove the percent sign and then form a ratio with the number as the first term and 100 as second term. So again, for 20%, first is we have to remove. So to convert a percent into a ratio, first we will remove the percent sign and form a ratio with number as the first term and 100 as second term. So number as first term and 100 as second term, and then reduce it to the lowest form. Again, in the lowest form, 1:5. So 20% in ratio form is 1:5. Then last, to convert a percent into decimal, we remove the percent sign and shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. 2 places to the left, reverse, we get in decimal form. So now using these concepts, let's try to solve first exercise of chapter 7, exercise 7.1. First question, write each ratio as a percent. So first ratio is 10:120. So for 10:120, first of all, write 10:120 in fraction form like this, 10 by 120. Then multiply this by 100 and 100, 100 by 100. Then in the next step, 10 into 120 into 100 and multiplied by 1 by 100. So we have to separate 1 by 100. Then for remaining part, we can reduce this. So 100 by 12 into 1 by 100, and for 100 by 12, we can write 96 plus 4 by 12 into 1 by 100, and 96 by 12. 96 by 12 is 8. 4 by 12, so 4 by 12 percent, 1 by 100 is percent, or 8 1 by 3% is the final answer. Similarly, in the second problem, given ratio is 30:200. So write in the fractional form 30 by 200. Then multiply this fraction by 100 and 100. So 100 by 100. Then again write 30, 200 and 100 separately, and 1 by 100 separately. Then we can cancel these two zeros. Then we have to reduce this part, remaining part, 30 by 2 in the lowest form by 100. So 30 by 2 is 15 and 1 by 100 becomes percent. So in the last step, we have to remove 1 by 100 by adding or writing this symbol. This is the sign or symbol of percent. So 30 by 2 is 15 and 1 by 100 becomes 15. So 15% is the answer. Third, again 5 by 25 in fractional form. Then multiply this fraction by 100 and 100. Then in the next step, write 5 into 100 by 25 and separately write 1 by 100. Now 25 and 4. So 25 4s are 100. So 5 into 4, 20, and 1 by 100 becomes percent. So 20% is the answer. Next, 100 by 125. Again the method is same. Write this ratio in fractional form, then multiply by 100 by 100. And in the next step, 100 by 125 into first 100 into 1 by 100. Right. Then 100 and 125. So 25, 400, 25 into 5 is 125, and 100 by 5, 100 by 5 is 20. So 20 into 4, 80, 1 by 100 becomes percent. 80% is the final answer. Next, 1 is to 8. In 1 is to 8, again we have to write in the fractional form first, 1 by 8, then multiply this fraction by 100 by 100. In the next step, 1 by 8 into 100 into 1 by 100, like this. And 100 by 8 is to be reduced in the lowest form. So 100 by 8 into 1 by 100. And we know that 100 is not completely divisible by 8. So 100 by 8. So 96 plus 4 we can write by 8, because before 100, 96 is the multiple of 8. So 96 by 8 is 12 into 1 by 100. So 96 by 8 is 12. 4 by 8. 12 4 by 8. Yes. Into 1 by 100. So this becomes 12. 1 by 2%. Next, 1 is to 12, 1 by 2. So we have to write 1 is to 12, 1 by 2 into 100 by 100. Then in the next step, again we have to reduce it. So 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2 into 100 by 100. Again we can write 2 by 25. 2 by 25 into 100 by 100, 100 by 100, then 2 into 100 by 25, and separately 1 by 100. So 25 ones are 25, 25, 4s are 100. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8, and 1 by 100 becomes percent. So 8% is the answer. Then last, 1 is to 16. Again 1 is to 16 means 1 by 16, and multiply this fraction by 100 by 100. Then write 1 by 16 into 100 separately and 1 by 100 separately. Then we have to divide 100 by 16. Again 100 is not completely divisible by 16. So the multiple of 16 before 100, last multiple of 16 before 100 is 96. So 96 plus 4 by 16 into 1 by 100. Now 96 by 16 is 6. So 6, 4 by 16 we can write into 1 by 100, or in reduced form 6. 4 by 16, again 1 by 4. So 6, 1 by 4% is the answer. 6, 1 by 4. Next, question number 2. Write each of the following as a percent. So given fraction is 1 by 2, first fraction is 1 by 2, and we have to write in percent. The process is same. So directly we can multiply 1 by 2 into 100 by 100, then 1 by 2 into 100 first part, and 1 by 100 is second part. 100 by 2 is 50, and 1 by 100 becomes percent. So 50%. 1 by 2 means 50%. Then 1 by 3 again multiply by 100 and 100, In the next step, 1 into 100 by 3 into 1 by 100, and 100 by 3. 100 by 3 is, so 99, up to 99 we can divide. So 99 by 3 becomes 33, remaining 1 by 3%. Then next, 1 by 6, again 1 by 6 into 100 by 100. In the next step, 1 into 100 by 6, and separately 1 by 100. Again, for 6, 100 divided by 6, no, not possible. Up to 96 we can divide completely. So 96 by 6 is 16, remaining 4 by 6%, and 16, 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. 16, 2 by 3% is the answer. Then 1 by 8. Again, we know how to solve for 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 100 by 100. In the next step, 1 into 100 by 8 into 1 by 100. And 100 by 8. Again, not possible to divide completely. So 100 by 8 means 96 plus 4 by 8. And 96 by 8 is 12. 96 by 8 is 12, and remaining 4 by 8 into 1 by 100, or 12. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2%. So 12.5 or 12 1 by 2% is the answer. Then next, 1 by 12. Again, method is same. Write 1 by 12 into 100 by 100. In the next step, 1 into 100 by 12 separately into 1 by 100. Then 100 by 12. Again, it's not possible to divide 100 by 12 completely. So again, 100 by 12. Before 100, the multiple of 12 is 96. So 96 plus 4 by 12 into 1 by 100. Or we can write 96 by 12 is 8 and 4 by 12. So 8 4 by 12%, or 8 4 by 12 means 1 by 3. So 8 1 by 3% is the answer. Next, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 100 by 100. In the next step, 3 into 100 by 4 and 1 by 100 separately. So 4 into 100. Sorry, 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 3 into 25, 75. 1 by 100 becomes percent sign. So 75%. 3 by 4 means 75%. Similarly, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 or 1/4 of 100 is 25. But we have to check by the process. So write 1 into 100 by 4 into 1 by 100. Okay. Then 100 by 4 is 25, yes, and 1 by 100 becomes percent sign. So 25%. Last, 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 into 100 by 100. In the next step, 100 by 9 into 1 by 100. And 9 into 10, 9 into 11. 9 into 11 is 99. So 99 plus 1 by 9 into 1 by 100, or 99 by 9 is 11. 11 1 by 9% is the answer. Next, question number 3. Express each decimal as a percent. And for decimal, we know that we just have to change the place of decimal to on right side. But let's check. 0.5. Again, using this process or this method, 0.5 into 100 by 100, or we'll write 0.5 into 100, first 100, and 1 by 100 separately, and 0.5 into 100, half of 100 is 50, 1 by 100 becomes percent. So 0.5 means 50, or simply change the place of decimal 2 on right side from this point 1 and 2, so 50, right? Or simply for decimal, simply multiply that given decimal by 100. So 1.5 means 1.5 into 100 by 100 equals to 1.5 into 100 into 1 by 100, or 150, and 1 by 100 becomes percent, or directly 1.5 into 100, 150%. Similarly, 0.05, 0.05 means 0.05 into 100. So 5% is the answer. 0.02, 0.02 into 100. Just shift the place of decimal 2%. 0.6 means 60%. For check, 0.6 means 0.6 into 100 by 100, or we can write 0.6 into 100 is 60 into 1 by 100, so 60% is the answer. 0.25 means, again, shift this decimal by 2 places on right side. So 25 means after shifting, 0.25 means after shifting 25%, or just multiply 0.25 by 100, you'll get 25%. Last 125, 0.125 means 12.5%, or 0.125 into 100 by 100 is 0.125 into 100 into 1 by 100, and now 12.5. 0.125 into 100 is 12.5 into 1 by 100 is now 12.5%, your answer. Next, question number 4. Express each of the following as a fraction. So the given percent first is 25. We have to express 25% in fractions. So what to do? In the first step, write 25% by replacing percent sign by 1 by 100, or divide that number by 100. So percent means 1 by 100, or just divide that number by 100 and reduce it to the lowest form. So 25 by 100 is, so 25 1s are 25, 25 4 the 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the fraction for 25. Similarly, 75. So 75 and divide this number by 100, or replace percent sign by writing 1 by 100 in the next step. 75 divided by 100, and 75 by 100, 25 3s are 75, 25 4. So 3 by 4 is the fraction. Then we have 66 2 by 3. So first change the form. 66 into 3, 198 plus 2, 200 by 3%, or 200 by 3 into 1 by 100, or 200 by 300. So cancel 0 and you'll get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the fraction. Next, 33 1 by 3 again. 33 into 3, 99 plus 1, 100 by 3%, or write 100 by 3 into 1 by 100 for percent sign. So 100 and 100. The fraction is 1 by 3. Then 12 and half. 12 1 by 2, or 12 and half. So again 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%, or directly write 25 by 2 into 100. 1 by 100 becomes 2 into 100. So 25 and 100. 25 4s are 25 1s. So 2 into 4, 8, 1 by 8. Next, 6 1 by 4. So for 6 1 by 4, 6 into 4 plus 1, 24 plus 1, 25 by 4%. Next, 25 by 4 into 1 by 100. Then 25 by 4 into 100 and 25 into 1, 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100. So 4 into 4, 16, 1 by 16. Next, question number 5. Find the following percentages. Percentages. First, 5% of rupees 100. So 5% of rupees 100. In these types of question, 5% means 5 by 100 of 100, or 5 for percent sign, write 1 by 100. So 5% means 1 by 100, of means multiplication by 100. So 100 and 100 will cancel, and 5 is the answer. Here 5% means 5 is the rate into the base is 100 equals to percentages. So rate into base is percentage. So percentage, final percentage is 5, rate is also 5, and base is 100. But for rate, we'll divide by 100. So 5 by 100 into 100 equals to 5. Next, 12.5% of 600. So 12.5. 12 half into 1 by 100 of 600. So totally 600 and 12.5% of 600. So 12.5, first we have to reduce it. Then for percent sign, write 1 by 100 or divide this number by 100 and then multiply by the base 600. So in the next step, 12 into 2 plus 1, 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 600. So okay, 0 0 and 0 0, then 2 and 6. So 2 ones are 2, 2 3. So 25 into 3 is 75. 25 into 3, 75 is the answer. And here rupees 5 or 5 rupees is the answer. The next 33 1 by 3. So again 33 1 by 3, percent means 1 by 100 of the base 330. So 33 1 by 3. So 33 into 3, 99 plus 100 by 3 into 1 by 100 into 330. So we can cancel these 200, 100 and 100. So 330 by 3. 330 by 3 equals to 110. Just divide 330 by 3, you will get 110. So 110, 110 rupees is the answer. Then we have 6 1 by 4 of rupees 1200. So 6 1 by 4, percent of rupees 12 by 100. So write 6 1 by 4, for percent sign again write 1 by 100 or divide this number by 100. Both are same. Into the base 1200. So 6 into 4, 25 plus 1, 25 by 4 into 1 by 100 into 1200. 0 0 0 0, yes, and 12 and 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. 25 into 3, again 75 rupees is the answer. Next, question number 6. What percentage of each of the following? A. 36 minutes of one day. 36 minutes of one day. So in this question, first of all, write 36 minutes of one day in fractional form. 36 minutes of 1 day means by 1 day. Okay, so this is the fraction or this is the ratio which is given to us. Now first of all, change days into minutes or minutes into days. So 36 minutes by, in 1 day 24 hours, and in 1 hour 60 minutes. So 36 minutes by 60 minutes. Now both time intervals are same or units are same. So 36 by 24 into 60 is the given fraction, ratio or fraction. Now we have to change this in percent. So again multiply by 100 and 100 and write 36 by 24 into 60 separately with first 100 and 1 by 100 like this. Now we can cancel 0 and 0 and 36 by 6. 6 is 36. Separately after writing, okay. So 6 and 24, 6 1s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So remaining part is 10 and 4. So 10 by 4 is 2.5. 2.5 1 by 100 percent, or in fractional form, in other form 10 by 4 2, and the remaining 2 by 4 is 1 by 2%. So 2.5% or 2.5% is the answer. 36 minutes of 1 day is equivalent to 2.5%. So 36 minutes of 1 day is 2.5%. Then 900 gram of 2 kg. Again we have 2 units, 900 grams and 2 kg means kilograms. So write 100 and 100, multiply this fraction by 100 and 100. Then again we have to change the unit, or we have to balance the unit. Balance the unit means we have to write these two things in the same unit. 2 kg means K for kilo, kilo means 1000, so 1000 kilo and grams. So 900 grams by 2 kilograms or 2 into 1000 grams. Now unit is same. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 0 with 1 0. Now 90 by 2 is 45 and remaining 1 by 100 becomes percent. So 45%, or if you want to write one more step, then separate this part and then write 1 by 100 in the second part, and then after reducing this part you will get 45 and 1 by 100 becomes percent. So the answer is 45%. Third, 20 of 200. Again 20 of 200 into 100 by 100. So 20 into 100 by 200. This into 1 by 100. And 0 0 0 0. 20 by 2 is 10. So 10 1 by 100 means percent. 10% is the answer. 2.50 of rupees 7.50. Again write in the fractional form 2.50 by 7.50. Then for percent, for converting, to convert this, what to do? Again multiply by 100 and 100, and now 2.50 by 7.50 into 100 into 1 by 100, and 2.5 by 7.5, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 or 33.333% or 33 1/3%. So 2.5 divided by 7.5 is 1/3 into 100 this much percent, or 100 divided by 3 33.33%, 33.33%, or we can write 33 1/3%. This is the final answer. Next, question number 7. First part, what percent of 2 days is 12 hours? So what percent of 2 days? 2 days is 12 hours. 12 hours. So this is the ratio, or this is the fraction. So again, multiply by 100 and 100. Then in numerator we have hours and denominator is in days. So 12 hours and change 2 days means 2. In 1 day 24 hours. So 100 by 100. So 12 by 24 into 2. So okay, 12 into 100 by 2 into 24, this much into 1 by 100, and 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 2 into 2 is 4, and 100 by 4 is 25. So 25, 1 by 100 means percent, 25%. So 12 hours is 25% of 2 days. Next, what percentage of rupees 3 is 1.50? Rupees 1.50. Again write 1.50 and 3.00 or 3 and multiply it by 100 and 100. 1.5 into 100 by 3 into 1 by 100, because the method is same, and 1.5 by 3. So 1.5 or 15, 3 or 30. So this is half, so 2, and 100 by 2 is 50. 50%. It means 1.50 is 50% of 3. Now next and first word problem. Next is your word problem. I'll read the problem. Ram obtained 30 marks out of 40 in mathematics. Find the percentage of marks obtained by Ram in mathematics. So in word problems, first of all, write given data in sentence. So first is Ram obtained 30 marks out of 40. So marks obtained by Ram is 30. Then total marks out of 40 means total marks is 40 in mathematics. Find the percentage of marks obtained by Ram. So percent obtained by Ram, or percent marks obtained by Ram, is marks obtained by total marks. 30 is marks obtained by total marks. So this is the fraction or ratio. Now we have to change this fraction or ratio in percent. So 30 by 40, again the method is same. We'll multiply by 100 and 100, then 30 by 40 into 100 and 1 by 100. So 0 and 0 reduced. 30 into 100 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 into 25 is 100. 25 into 3 75. And this becomes percent. 75% is the percent or percentage of marks obtained by Ram in mathematics. So in words, right? Okay, what was the sentence? Find the percentage of marks obtained by Ram in mathematics. So percent of marks obtained by Ram in mathematics is 75%, or marks obtained by Ram in mathematics equals to 75%. Next question, question number 9. Monica obtained 45 marks out of 50 in physics. What percent of marks did she get in physics? So, again a word problem. Solution 9. First of all, Monica obtained 45 marks out of 50 in physics. So, marks obtained by Monica in physics is equals to 45. Marks obtained by Monica in physics 45. Total marks 50, and we have to calculate percent of marks did she get in physics. So what percent of 50 is 45? Simply, how much of 50 is 45? 45 is how much of 50, or 45 by 50 is the given fraction. So marks obtained 45 by total marks 50. This is the ratio, and we have to change this ratio or fraction in percent. So again multiply by 100 and 100 and write 45 by 50 into 100 separately, into 1 by 100 separately, then 0, 0, 5 and 2, or 100 by 50 is 2. So 45 into 2 is 90. 1 by 100, replace 1 by 100 by writing the symbol of percent, because 1 by 100 means percent. So 90% is the answer. In words, what to write? What percent of marks did she get in physics? So percent marks scored by Monica equals to 90 or 90%. Next question, question number 10. In a class, 30% of students are girls. If total number of students in the class is 250, find the number of boys and girls. It's a good question. So 10th question, first line, 30% of students are girls. So percent of girls equals to 30%. Then second, total number of students in the class 250. Total number of students 250. So total 250 students are there in the class, and we have to find number of boys and girls. So we have the percent of girls. So first of all, we have to calculate percent of girls is 30. So 30% of 250. So number of girls equals to 30% of 250, because total number of students is 250 and 30% are girls. So 30% of 250 is the number of girls. So number of girls is 30% means 1 by 100 of 250 means multiplied by 250. 100 and 0. Okay, 0 by 0 again. And 25 by 3 is 75. So number of girls 75. And for number of boys, again we have two methods. First is number of boys equals to total minus number of girls. So total minus number of girls, total 250, minus number of girls 75. So the number of boys 250 minus 75, 175 is the answer. Or if percent of girls is 30%, then percent of boys equals to 100, total percent possible, minus percent of girls 70%. So out of 250, 70% are boys. So here number of boys can be calculated using 70%. So 70% of total 250, 70 1 by 100 into 250. So again, and 7 into 25. 7 into 25 is also 175. So ultimately the answer is 175. Number of boys 175. Number of girls 75. Last question, question number 11. In a town, 45% of the population are females. If the population of the town is 155400, find the number of males and females. Again, similar to previous question. In a town, 45% of the population are females. 11. 45% of total population. Total population is female. So remaining 55% are males. Then total number or total population. Total population is 155400. 155400. And we have to calculate number of males and females. So we have to find the number of females in that town and number of males. So number of females equals to 45% of total. 155,400. So 45%, 45 into 1 by 100 of 155,400 and 0000. Yes, so 45 into 1554 is 69930. 69930. I know the answer, but you have to calculate. So this is the number of females. Then for number of males equals to total minus number of females. So total 155,400 minus 69930, or yes, 69930 85,470. So this is the number of males. So final answer, number of males in town 85,470, and number of females in town is 69930. Answer. So this is all from my side. in first exercise, exercise 7.1. If you have any doubt, any confusion, any problem in this exercise or in any of the topic of this chapter or any other topic of class 6th maths, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.